Let's do Capital by Amyl and the Sniffers. Just came out on their new album. We're in E flat. We're detuned 1/2 step. I'll give you the tuning notes. Here's your E. E. Should sound like this. A string. D string. G. B. High E. Alright, you only need to detune if you want to play along with the recording or you're playing with a band that's detuned. Yeah, that's the main riff. We start off on the E power chord. Just play it on your bottom 3 strings, or even just the bottom 2. Play it with your second finger, your middle finger, and then you can go right to the F with your index and your ring finger. That's the motion you want. Slide up to G. Slide back down to F. All right. Then after it repeats a couple times, then to conclude, it goes to A. So. You can get the A at the 5th fret, power chord, or you could go to the open A. Playing all downstrokes. Yeah, and there's certain times like they're going like. There's just hammering on the D string, and then it goes to or the other thing that's being done sometimes is playing the F. You pull up your finger, and then you got a D over F. Yeah, and but then there is a second part. The riff is all right. So that is just A power chord, G to D. Just A, G, back to A, and then ending with D. Then he plays a cool guitar solo up here at the 12th fret. He's doing this like a little Chuck Berry bend. And your G string on the 14th fret. Then you come to the 12th fret on the B string, and then you do a pull off at the 15 to 12. That's on the B string. And then you go back into the bend of the G again. All right, you can practice that if you want to get speed. You have to practice it slow and then build up like with a metronome. And then I think he does a little on the extension box of that, which is at the 15 and the 17. he's doing like, I think what he's doing is 17 to 15 pull off on the high E. And then just does it really fast. All right, have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, that was a request. Good request. Thanks for that. Bye.